Why is it so dark? Why do I feel this way? Why can't I see the light? My heartbeat's moving 10 times faster. I can't see anything. I'm trying to look around, but no one's there. Tears start to fall, but land on nothing. As I look over my body and soul, I'm looking down on earth and saying I'm glad I'm not here. All the tragedies in the world, I'm glad I'm not even here. See, God had a better thing for me up there. So now, I'm watching over all the people I loved. It's kind of crazy, see? 15, thinking about death. But I'm not scared of death at all. See, I would look death straight in the eye and say, take me. I don't care. 'Cause I know at the end, I'll be in a better place. I look around and see nothing. My heart starts to slow. And then I know. This is it. I'm finally gone. And I'm thinking about everything I haven't done yet. But oh well. Because at the end of the day, the earth will come to an end. But I'm sad for everyone that has to go through it. I look all around. All I see is darkness. But all of a sudden I see a light. It's so bright. It starts to blind me. And it's really him. God himself. All I can see is his hands. And he says, take my hand. And as I do, I feel my soul reaching out and entering the light of the heaven's gate. I know I'll be in a better place.